that one song played on, Jasmine would turn around and she would twerk her butt. That's one point where she literally got to the floor with her hands and put her down. I think I'm going backwards.
Yeah, let me give it to you. And even for the GPS. Oh, what's the GPS?
Marla, I'm leaving. I'm not going. There's a lane.
Okay, you're
I'm
in
in
it.
some type of upside down again.
Hi.
Hey, I fixed again. You fixing the doggy out? You telling the doggy to move?
And I hit my head. Now I have a concussion.
Well, I'm really floating in the air right now. Now, where are you?
I'm coming.
I'm picking a box.
I'm totally coming. I'm definitely not dead.
So, come here, buddy box.
I definitely don't have a friend. I definitely don't have
Woohoo, I'm in a money box.
lost my box. That's not money.
Whatever box I'm in. Whoa. I tipped. How you fix the box? Oh, I'm fixed. It's fixed. I fixed it though. I tipped you. I don't know. I do it upside down.
I'm not lying, I'm sideways.
I was literally upside down. Now I don't know how it is. So eat junk, but she won't touch her food like that. So I think it's time to cut off junk until she can start eating regular food. And then I'm not gonna do this again. Give me another bottle, Chance, please. The bottle, stop. Jazz. You into the bottle, stop. You gotta figure it out. You don't know what to do.